Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, today we are checking out the Pixel 10 Pro XL and what I believe is going to be the best case for it. Let's get started. All right, so here is the Pixel 10 Pro, very much similar to the Pixel 9 Pro XL from last year, and I am curious about this one. I just don't know if it was worth it to buy the 10 versus the 9. I feel like most of the features are software based, and because of that, is it really worth it? So I'm going to be answering that in a first impressions video down the line. Subscribe for that, but overall, I just have to wonder, is this phone really the phone that people should upgrade to? Or if you have a Pixel 9, should you keep it? If you have a Pixel 8, should you keep it? Or maybe upgrade to the 9 now that it's cheaper. So it does look a little bit wider. I'm gonna have to compare it to the 9 Pro XL, but it does look a little bit wider. This part looks a little bit bigger. Maybe it's just, again, I haven't noticed the Pixel 9 Pro in a little while, but same exact cameras. It is going to be a little bit, I believe, wider because of the bigger battery. It does have a bigger battery, I believe. So let me go ahead, turn it on, put it in the case, and see how it compares. Okay, so I had to put them side by side. So this is the 9 Pro XL versus the 10 Pro XL, and the dimensions are pretty much the same. Actually, the camera did look the same now that I see them side by side. The only difference is actually the G on this one is bigger compared to this one. So that's going to be your biggest difference in dimensions or look and aesthetic, how you can tell between the new one and the old one. Other than that, it is going to be a different battery in terms of 5200 milliamps versus 5060, so slightly bigger battery on this model here, but again, very comparable. Other than that, you have faster charging and faster wireless charging at 45 watt instead of 37, and then 15 watt instead of, I believe it was 10, not sure on the wireless charging. But you also have the MagSafe or Qi 2 standard built in, so you can just put any kind of MagSafe accessory to it and it works just perfectly. And speaking of MagSafe, I did get this case. For me, it was kind of exciting for this one just because I haven't seen a nice leather one with MagSafe. It's actually very rare to see that. So I was happy to see it and I just immediately had to get it. And there you go. Feels nice and good. And yet again, still has the MagSafe compatibility right there. So you have the nice MagSafe connection on there. Although, yeah, okay, no, it is good. I was a little worried about how leather would work from it, but it seems to be working right. But if you do want to put a little force behind it, it does go off rather easily. So buttons are going to be very clicky on this model, and it does offer lip protection all the way around the front. So you do have that screen protected as well, although you might want to get a screen protector just to be sure. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this up and see how it looks like up and running. All right, I will say I have gone to use the Pixel 10 Pro for a couple days now, and I have no real complaints about it. I put Nova Launcher on there. It's working fine, quick, everything. I will say that I don't really see that much of a difference from the Pixel 9 Pro. Now, there wasn't that many upgrades, to be quite honest, between these two. So I'll have to see over the next few days how much I really do see the difference. However, I will give a shout out to this case. I absolutely loved it. The leather backing is so nice. And I've not had a good quality leather backing like this for a long time, since the days of the Note. So definitely will recommend this. And of course, always get that MagSafe kickstand to go with it. Really love it for that purpose. And yeah, overall, I think the Pixel 10 Pro is going to be one to look at. We'll see how it goes overall. In terms of the phone, it's not bad. There's no thing that I really say I have an issue with. It runs smooth. The battery life is really good. So yeah, no issue whatsoever with it. Right now, I'm more I'm wondering why I got this over the 9 Pro. If I wasn't a reviewer, would I bought it? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Are you looking at the Pixel 10 Pro? What are you coming from? I think it might be more of an upgrade from the Pixel 8 Pro or Pixel 7 Pro. Definitely more of something to look at then. But for the 9 Pro, I really don't see a big benefit after using it for a couple days. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.